Lero ga ntwatware gikaro bungari twabunire bunge mpaka next week erigere tonyore ribaga tuchikomutarire president yaito ya Kenya ari Nairobi. Ebintu bigotoira Nairobi nebintu bigusukana mwananchi. President tubwate bono ga Kenya neyemo okuruku muske William Ruto. President ndeteyo. Governor neyemo okuruku Simbarati n'abajumbe aba MCA kere ward noyo moyo muroche gaiga na bali nominated kuruchi party cyabo. Egento gegotoira State House etokogenda tuchikubwati ebintu chipara egetikia ndege epare yanene kogenda mpaka Kablong Chinyagitari chaito Cancer Center Chichiro bono muna bono ige chiro ya Nyambera ntwaye tu 350 million. President ya promise rie chiro ya daraja 700 million egeti yaitu ye stadium 600 million ebintu ebi na bitota yete koenda kumubori tumubori ndire lyagocha abilonchi bichake tari ogotebanga nimetenga nimefanya nini
ayataria mangana siasa nike 2027 tonyekore na ende ninta getentebi abantu baitonga barigereri nore mbo aribo ikoyo president ko endelea yakora magendero.
Lakini kuna cheche na chocha katika ya wale ambao tunaita mabloga, tunaweza kuwahimiza kwamba sisi hatuwezi kuja kwenu kuwauliza ruhusa ya kuenda kule Ikulu kujadili na rais maneno ya maendeleo. Sisi tumechaguliwa, wengine ambao waliteuliwa kwa upande mwingine wana sababu ambayo wameketi kwenye bunge letu la Kisii. Sisi hatuwezi kamwe kufuata maneno ya bloggers.
And I want to dispel fears that our people have out there, especially the keyboard warriors and those who are naysayers, that we are not supposed to pay a courtesy call to the head of state. I think that is small thinking. That is not mature politics. We know that this time, the mandate that we were given by the people of Kisii County